everyone, welcome to our Recipes. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very easy mango smoothie that you can make. To make the mango smoothie, you will need mangoes, sugar, milk, and yogurt. Okay, let's get started. First, I took 2 cups of diced mango into my blender. Next, I'm going to add a half cup of milk and a half cup of plain yogurt. After that, I'm going to blend it all together. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar and a half cup of ice and blend. And voila! Our mango smoothie is ready. Time to serve it! For the final touch, I'm going to add some straws. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!